how to complete your profile in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the profile. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here we in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to see a profile, and on the bottom there's a section called complete your profile. Simply tap on continue and again tap on continue. So here you must give access of your contacts and tap on allow, and here you'll be able to set up your profile too. So you can add everything and every details that you have that it allows. Now tap on add 5 friends and you'll be able to completely set up the account, and at last simply tap on done. So the profile has been set up and now you can start learning a new language. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.